Hello everyone, welcome to Hexabot channel. In this video, we'll explore a very common but dangerous motor issue, insulation failure at the stator coil output. This failure can cause short circuits, arcing, and even motor burnout if not detected early. The stator coil output is where copper windings exit the stator slots and connect to terminals. This area is highly vulnerable because it faces heat, mechanical stress, and direct electrical contact. When the motor runs continuously near rated current, heat builds up at the coil output. Over time, insulation becomes brittle and peels off. If coil ends are cut too short and placed too close in the terminal box, rising temperature reduces clearance, leading to electrical discharge. Oil, moisture, or dust can enter the terminal box. Mixed with heat and dirt, they lower insulation resistance, creating dangerous leakage currents. Poor crimping or improper heat shrink application can leave copper wires exposed or misaligned. This unstable contact creates local hotspots, damaging insulation quickly. In some cases, coil ends rub against the terminal box wall or bolts, gradually wearing away insulation. Prevention: avoid continuous overload operation. Maintain proper lead length and clearance. Keep terminal box sealed against oil and moisture. Use proper crimping and heat shrink techniques. Regularly test insulation resistance. In summary, stator coil output failure is mainly caused by heat, short clearance, oil moisture, poor termination, and friction. Proper preventive measures ensure longer motor life and safer operation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Hexabot technical videos.